Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, Bishop. Fellow Christians, God is good all the times. Thank you very much. The clergy and the guests who have come here today, on behalf of the family of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, we welcome you and we thank you for joining us this morning for this prayer in remembrance of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, 30 years. This is not a place for speeches. Speeches will be made where we're going to, here. But I just wanted to let you know that Jaramogi was very much associated with this church. This project is a brainchild of the late Bishop Henry Okulu and Jaramogi. And Jaramogi did the first fundraising for construction of this church. And he did several others before he died. He was joined by the late Jobomino. So when Jaramogi left, Jobomino took over. And I joined Jobomino. So we did it then with Job together, and when Job passed on, then I continued myself until we are here where we are. It is still a project that is ongoing, an ongoing project. And last week we were here, and they told us that there's a sound system that they want to put up here. And there are pews which they still want to do, but they will be fundraising on another occasion, not today. Today, as a family, we are presenting these 2 chairs to the church. On top of all that, we are also adding to the church a contribution here of 200,000 shillings. And I just wanted to request that if there's any Christian who wants to join and work a say, this is the time.
Wono simoi mia yudo nying manyien karayesibe mia yudo nying manyien gala gala mia yudo